beautiful sights here. These are the hundreds. Got 109 on the right. The truck and a tent. Hold on just a minute. Let's show this one off. Look at this one, number 108. I mean, that's a great size campsite, and the trees are way up, so you don't have to worry about them hitting the top of your rig.
One 12's pretty nice.
Yeah, they're all lovely. I'm only showing the outside since I'm on the passenger side, but some of this video where I'm showing the center of the street, you can kind of see what they look like both left and right.
On the right is the entrance into the campground section of the state park off the main loop. So we're going to head back into the lower numbers and we'll hit the, what is it, 0 through 43, I believe it is. And go through that loop and show you that. Here's site number 1 on the right.
Yeah, it's a nice wide spot. Yeah. Right side.
And it's great. And when you're in Florida this time of year, you'll see every type and design of camper in the world. Small ones, large ones, they're here.
It's number 11. Dumpster, and then there's recycling of aluminum and plastic.
So another restroom with washer and dryer set up. Coca-Cola machine.
They're closer together, which we find that pretty much most of Florida's campgrounds are close because so many people come, they don't really make them far apart like when you go up north, but they're still beautiful, and there's lots to do in Florida.
Look at these tents. Cool.
Yeah, these are tents that you can rent, and
they got barbecue pits and little decks, and each one's got swings in the trees.
Looks like a bit of glamping. And the lights, so that's really...
It's called Timberline Glamping, and they even got air conditioning.
Oh, right. And bunk beds and a big bed, I can see. Oh, it looks like a hotel room, for goodness sakes.
These are yurts over here, right?
Yeah, then they've got yurts, so that's fun. If you're not really into putting up the tent and, you know, not really a seasoned camper, but want to go camping, I think this would be the way to go. Well, that's new. I didn't realize that was there. That's fun.
The river's down there somewhere.
Yeah, I see that they've got places where you can get off and take your kayak or canoe. And it says that there's, is there tubing? Would there be tubing? I wouldn't think so.
I don't know. There's water down there.
Yeah, I don't know either. It looks awfully still to be in tubing, so
Yeah.
I'm not really
Rafting.
sure. Raft, yeah. I don't
They
know.
said something a little about white water, so there could have been an area that has some ripples in it.
We'll have to check into that. But it definitely has a lot of parking, so it looks in those areas where you get off in canoe and kayak, so it must
There's
There
hiking
must be-
trails, yeah.
there must be a lot of people who
Look.
come here.
Canoe launch.
Yeah, for the canoe launching.
You want
and-
to look back there?
Not really. It was very quiet last night while we were sleeping. Busy during the day, lots of people. It seems to be like a social activity kind of place. And so there were a lot of people out and about. This is this is site 41. It's huge.
Mm-hmm.
We could have a big group there. That goes to where the park. And we're back home. This is our home for the week. Love sitting in the woods.